Imagine looking in the mirror one morning and realizing your skin just doesn't bounce back the way it used to. The laugh lines linger a little longer, that once glowy texture seems duller, and the firmness, it's slipping away, quietly, year after year. Now, here's the surprising truth. After age 50, your body's collagen production drops to almost 1/3 of what it was in your youth. And collagen, my friend, isn't just another beauty buzzword. It's the scaffolding that keeps your skin plump, your joints cushioned, and even your hair strong. But here's the hopeful part. You can absolutely stimulate your body to produce more collagen naturally, without needles, without expensive creams, and without chasing miracle products that never deliver. 1. Why collagen is your skin's best friend. Before we dive into the how, let's understand the why. Collagen is like the invisible thread that keeps our skin tight, our tendons flexible, and our joints moving smoothly. In your 20s and 30s, your body is a collagen-making machine. But somewhere in your late 40s, and even more so after menopause, this process slows dramatically. Why? Aging. Natural cell turnover slows down. UV exposure. Sunlight breaks down collagen fibers like frayed rope. Poor diet. Without enough protein and micronutrients, your body doesn't have the raw materials to rebuild. Stress and sleep loss. Cortisol damages collagen, while deep sleep is when repair happens. The result? Wrinkles deepen, skin becomes thinner, and even wounds heal slower. The myth about quick fixes. It's tempting to believe the skincare industry's promise of instant results, luxury creams that reverse aging overnight, or serums that rebuild collagen in 7 days. But here's the reality. Collagen production is a slow, cumulative process. You can't paint a house if the wood underneath is rotting. Likewise, you can't just add collagen to your skin from the outside. It has to be built from the inside out. And that's where natural, lifestyle-driven methods come in. Real-life story, the Florida turnaround. Let me tell you about Linda, a 55-year-old from Florida. She told me she used to dread video calls because the camera seemed to highlight every wrinkle and sag on her face. Botox was on her mind, but something in her gut told her to try a different path. She started small, adding more salmon and eggs into her diet, replacing her afternoon coffee with green tea, and trying a few face yoga routines she found online. She also began taking collagen peptides, 1 scoop a day in her morning smoothie. Fast forward 6 months, not only did her skin look noticeably brighter, but she also had more energy and less joint stiffness. The wrinkles were still there, aging is natural, but they were softer, less tired looking. Her secret? Consistency, not perfection. The 4. The natural collagen blueprint. Here's the thing. Boosting collagen isn't about finding one magic ingredient. It's about creating a daily rhythm that supports your body's repair systems. Step 1. Collagen building diet. Think of your plate as your collagen workshop. Protein. Fish, eggs, chicken, lentils, chickpeas. These give your body the amino acids it needs. Vitamin C. Oranges, kiwi, strawberries. Without vitamin C, collagen synthesis can't happen. Zinc and copper. Pumpkin seeds, cashews, whole grains. Trace minerals that act as collagen cofactors. Step 2. Antioxidants to protect what you build. Berries, green tea, and even raw cacao protect your collagen from free radical damage. Think of antioxidants as the security guards for your skin. Step 3. Gentle sun protection. UV damage is like termites for your collagen. Use SPF 30+ daily, even on cloudy days. Hats and sunglasses aren't just fashion, they're preservation tools. Number 5. Face yoga and massage. More than a trend. You might think face yoga sounds gimmicky, but here's why it works. When you massage or exercise facial muscles, you increase blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients right where your skin needs it most. Try a simple daily ritual. Warm your hands, place them on your cheeks, and move them in upward circles for 2 to 3 minutes. Tap lightly along your jawline and under your eyes to stimulate lymphatic drainage. These small actions, over months, can subtly improve firmness and glow. Number 6. The role of sleep and stress. We can't talk about collagen without talking about deep sleep. During the night, your body releases melatonin and growth hormone, both essential for tissue repair. Miss out on quality rest, and you're literally robbing your skin's chance to heal. Likewise, chronic stress keeps cortisol high, which actively breaks down collagen. This is why meditation, breathing exercises, or even short nature walks can be anti-aging tools, not just feel-good habits. So in this first part, we've laid the foundation. Collagen is essential, but it declines sharply after 50. Quick fixes don't work. Slow, consistent habits do. A real-life example proves it's possible to see changes without invasive treatments. In part 2, we'll go deeper into supplement strategies, exact meal plans, and how to layer your habits for maximum results. This is where science meets daily life. Do you want me to go ahead and write part 2 now? That's where we'll start building the step-by-step routine your viewers can actually follow. In the last part, we uncovered the truth about collagen after 50. It's not gone, but your body isn't making nearly as much as before. We talked about why quick fixes don't work and why steady, intentional habits are the secret. Now, let's get into the how, the exact strategies you can use to help your skin, joints, and even your hair start feeling like they've been given a second chance. 1. The supplement strategy, science versus hype. Walk into any health store and you'll find shelves lined with collagen powders, pills, and drinks. But do they really work? Here's the truth. Collagen supplements don't directly add collagen to your face. What they do is provide amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline that your body can use to build its own collagen. Types to look for: collagen peptides / hydrolyzed collagen, easiest to absorb, mix them into coffee, smoothies, or even soups. Marine collagen, sourced from fish, often touted for skin benefits. Grass-fed bovine collagen, better for joint health in some studies. Pro tip: always pair collagen supplements with vitamin C. Without it, collagen synthesis slows dramatically. 2. Meal plan. A week of collagen-friendly eating. If you want to give your viewers something tangible, here's a sample day they can replicate. Morning: warm lemon water with a teaspoon of collagen powder. Omelet with spinach and tomatoes, vitamin C plus protein. Lunch: grilled salmon, rich in omega-3s with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Green key, antioxidants to protect collagen. Snack: Greek yogurt with blueberries and chia seeds. Dinner: lentil soup with carrots, celery, and sweet potato. Mixed green salad with pumpkin seeds. This isn't just about beauty, it's about keeping inflammation low, which is crucial for collagen preservation. 4. Skin protection as an investment. Every minute in the sun without protection is like leaving your favorite leather bag out in the rain. It's going to crack, fade, and weaken. SPF 30 or higher, used daily, even indoors if sunlight comes through windows. UV protective clothing, especially for outdoor walkers and gardeners. Sunglasses, not just to protect your eyes, but to prevent squinting, which can deepen wrinkles. And no, SPF doesn't mean you'll look pale. It means you'll age slower. 5. The power of gentle movement. Believe it or not, exercise impacts your collagen. Weight-bearing and resistance exercises improve blood circulation and stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for making collagen. Real example: a small Japanese study found that women over 50 who practiced resistance training twice a week saw increased skin elasticity after 3 months. Try recommending
yoga or Pilates for flexibility and core strength, lightweight training 2 to 3 times per week, brisk walking in shaded areas. 6. The real-life story, the Collagen Club. A group of 5 friends in Arizona, all in their mid-50s, started meeting every Sunday morning. Their rule was everyone had to bring a collagen-boosting dish to share. One would bring bone broth, another a quinoa salad with citrus dressing, another matcha tea with marine collagen stirred in. Within 6 months, not only did they see skin improvements, but their joint stiffness decreased, and one member even noticed her nails stopped breaking. The best part? They were doing it together, so the habit stuck. Community makes consistency easier. And that's true for collagen, fitness, and just about every health goal. 7. Layering habits, the stacking method. If you're worried about your audience feeling overwhelmed, here's an approach that works. Habit stacking. Attach a new collagen-friendly habit to something you already do. Examples: add collagen powder to your morning coffee. Do a 3-minute face massage while your tea steeps. Wear SPF right after brushing your teeth. When you stack habits, they become automatic, and that's where the real results happen. 8. Avoiding collagen killers. If you're building something valuable, you also need to protect it. The top collagen destroyers: excess sugar, glycation stiffens collagen fibers, making skin less elastic. Smoking, nicotine narrows blood vessels, starving skin of oxygen. Chronic stress, cortisol breaks down collagen. Overexposure to UV light, still the #1 cause of premature skin aging. 8. The deeper connection. Collagen beyond skin. One thing many people miss: collagen isn't just about looking younger, it's about feeling younger. Healthy collagen supports joint flexibility, making movement pain-free, strong hair and nails, reducing breakage, gut lining integrity, helping with digestion and reducing bloating. In other words, it's the fabric that ties your physical well-being together. Closing this second chapter. At this point, you have a clear, science-backed strategy for collagen production after 50. Fuel your body with the right nutrients, supplement smartly, protect what you build, and make it a lifestyle, not a one-off experiment. In part 3, we're going to address common mistakes people make when trying to boost collagen, explore budget-friendly tips, and share my personal reflection on why collagen care is as much about mindset as it is about skincare. Do you want me to move ahead with part 3 now so we can complete the full script? That's where the final emotional connection and viewer takeaway will happen. You now know how to boost collagen after 50, the right foods, supplements, and habits. But here's the thing, most people still fail. Not because collagen science doesn't work, but because they unknowingly sabotage their own progress. 1. The biggest mistakes people make. If your audience wants lasting results, they need to avoid these traps. Mistake number 1, expecting overnight results. Collagen rebuilding takes time. Think 8 to 12 weeks for visible changes, not days. Many give up too soon, assuming nothing's happening. But under the surface, new fibers are forming, like planting seeds that need water and sunlight before you see green shoots. Mistake number 2, relying on supplements alone. No powder in the world will undo a bad diet, chronic stress, or zero sun protection. Supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. Mistake number 3, ignoring hydration. Collagen is like a sponge. It needs water to stay plump. Without enough hydration, even the best collagen fibers will collapse like a dry riverbed. Mistake number 4, overdoing it. Some think if a little collagen is good, more is better. But your body has a limit. Megadosing can cause bloating, digestive discomfort, and wasted money. 2, budget-friendly collagen boosting. Let's be real, not everyone can afford premium supplements or spa facials. The good news is you don't have to. Affordable actions that work: bone broth, Make it at home using leftover chicken or beef bones. Add vinegar to help extract minerals. Citrus water. Lemons and oranges are inexpensive vitamin C powerhouses. Eggs, one of the best natural sources of proline. DIY facial massage. No fancy tools needed, just your hands and 3 minutes a day. You can get 80% of the results without spending hundreds of dollars. 3. My personal collagen story. A few years ago, I was filming in Arizona. The desert sun was beautiful, but merciless. After just 1 week without proper SPF, my skin felt rougher, my lips cracked, and my eyes looked tired. When I got back home, I committed to a collagen care month. I didn't buy anything expensive. I drank bone broth every other day. I took collagen peptides with vitamin C. I did 10 minutes of light weights daily. I wore SPF religiously, even indoors. Within 6 weeks, my skin wasn't just looking better, it felt stronger. My joints moved with more ease, and even my nails stopped splitting. The lesson? It's consistency, not perfection, that makes the difference. 4. Collagen and mindset. Boosting collagen after 50 isn't just about vanity, it's about agency. When you choose to care for your collagen, you're telling yourself, I have control over my aging process. I can feel vibrant in my body no matter my age. It's not about erasing every line, it's about living in skin that feels alive. 5. The emotional pull, why this matters. Every wrinkle, every change in our skin tells a story. Collagen care doesn't erase the story, it keeps the pages from crumbling. It's about having the energy to play with grandkids, the confidence to meet new people, the strength to chase adventures. Collagen is the foundation of that physical freedom. 6. Final collagen action plan. If your audience takes only 5 steps away from this series, let it be these 5. 1. Eat a protein-rich, vitamin C-filled diet. 2. Consider a daily collagen peptide supplement. 3. Protect your skin from UV rays, always. 4. Exercise with intention. Resistance training is key. 5. Cut down on sugar and smoking. They're collagen killers. 7. Closing takeaway. The best time to cure for your collagen was 20 years ago. The second best time? Right now. You're not too late. Your skin, your joints, your body, they're listening to the choices you make today. So start small, stack habits, and remember, aging is not about losing your beauty, it's about evolving it. If you've learned something today, share this video with a friend who needs it. Tell me in the comments, what's the one collagen habit you'll start this week? And if you want more videos on healthy aging, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started.